In this video, I'll go over 3 common formula error codes of 504, 508, 511, give examples of each, and also ideas on how to fix it. I did make a previous video on 3 different error codes of 502, 509, and 522. I'll link that video in the video description below, along with any other websites or resources that I mentioned in this video. Hi, my name is Michael with Office Nifty. I help people to learn and use Calc and also make video tutorials. So let's get started. Here with error 504, this is called a parameter list error. And let's take a look at the official help page. Here we see a table of error codes, and if I head on down, we see here for 504, it describes it as function parameter is not valid. For example, text instead of a number. So back in my sheet, let's take a look at what I did here. The formula I'm using is column, and I have 2 parameters. Well, unfortunately, column only likes to take 1 parameter. So I purposely and erroneously added a second one. Easy fix for that is I only have 1 parameter, cell C4, and we see that it properly gives a result of 3. So if you run into error 504, you might want to consider how many parameters you're using or whether it's a proper type or not. Okay, moving on to error 507. Actually, 507 and 508 go together. So in my example here, I'm just using a basic sum function. And as you can see, I have an extra parentheses here, which is not very good. It throws off the formula and it gave me the error. So an easy fix to that is just have 1 closing parameter for my function. Alright, moving on to error 511. What I have here is the decimal function, and I put in 1 parameter, but it actually expects 2. So the proper way to use the decimal function is putting the proper radix parameter, 16, and it gives me the right value to it. So we visit the help page again. We take a look at error 507, 508. It talks about closing brackets, which was my problem. And for error 511, it's saying that the function requires more variables or potentially parameters than was provided. So this was just a brief overview of the errors. If you're unable to fix the errors for your own spreadsheet, feel free to comment below, include your formula and what error you got. I'll try to take a look and see if I can help give you some guidance. And if you want to learn more about using Calc, I invite you to check out my free course. It's at join.calccourse.com. And for the first few signups, I do want to give a bonus to help people directly in learning Calc or troubleshooting any problems that they have. So thank you very much for watching, and as always, stay nifty.